Hello, in this video we will see how to generate and manage your internal links on the InLinks platform. For this video I'm taking as an example the website of the InLinks CEO, dixonjones.com. So I have taken his personal blog and I have created an InLinks project of 20 pages. So now we will see what is the method to generate the internal linking within the pages you have added into your InLinks project. So the first step to apply is to start associating your pillar pages to their corresponding topics, as we will see right now. So let's take, for example, this page about SEO traps and WordPress. So if this is your pillar page about WordPress, so let's click on the target button here. We will see all the entities or the topics the tool has recognized from the content of this page. And if this is a page that is globally about WordPress, I'm going to associate the page with the concept of WordPress, in which case we will be having 3 potential links coming into this web page. So I'm going to select WordPress here. Close. So let's continue on with another example. This page about Yahoo Site Explorer. I'm going to click on target and make the association. So let's see. Let's associate the page with the concept of Yahoo, which has 3 potential internal links. I'm going to click on select. So I'm going to try another one also. How to migrate, for instance, how to migrate your Twitter handle. Click on targets. So I'm going to associate the page with Twitter, which has 5 potential links. So we can continue on with the topics associations. So you get the idea. You just need to associate your pillar pages of the your InLinks project to their corresponding topics by using the target button here. And once we do this, just refresh the URL. We will see that the InLinks platform will start placing links towards the page you have associated. Let's say, for instance, this page we have associated with WordPress. Under the InLinks column here, I can see that we have 2 internal links that have been generated. If I click on the 2 here, I can see 2 links coming from 2 different source pages belonging to the same project, and with an anchor text that is related to the target topic here, which is WordPress. Let's see an example of another page here. For example, this one, which has been associated to Twitter. Click on the I can see 3 links. So I can see 3 links coming from 3 source pages from the same project, from the same InLinks project, and with an anchor text which is related to Twitter. Just to note that these internal links go live to your website once you install and validate a JavaScript code which is provided by InLinks. So I can see here the part of the JavaScript code is inactive. So if you want to inject these links automatically into the website, and we need to click here on this button. And now we will see you'll see an example of the JavaScript code, which needs to be placed in the footer of your website in order for the InLinks system to start placing these internal links. Just a couple of notes here. We have the internal links part of the tool. If we click on that, we have multiple options that are available within this part of the tool. We can switch the internal links generation by click button here. We can switch the links on off. On this part, we can see some of the internal linking stats about the links that are placed by the system. So here I can see some links, some stats about which anchor texts have been used, and here we have the anchor text distribution, which is the number of words per anchor text. So if I could scroll here, we have total control upon the internal linking structure that is generated by InLinks. We can either edit a link by changing the anchor text as well as the target page, and we can also remove a page altogether if you think that a link does not make any sense with respect to your project here. So you can either remove a link or you can edit a link by changing the anchor text as well as the target page. So at the end of this video, I'd like to highlight some of the important notes about internal linking on InLinks. So the first point is that internal links are placed only between the pages that are added to an InLinks project. So for instance, here we have we're having 20 pages within this project, so the linking structure will happen only between these 20 pages. Same thing if we had 100 pages or 200 pages, so the links will only be placed between the pages that are added into an InLinks project and not the whole website. So second point is that internal links are placed automatically once the JavaScript code is installed and validated. So we have seen here an example of the JavaScript code, which is available in this part of the tool. So this is an example of the JavaScript code which is provided. Third point is that anchor text can be exact match. It could be a synonym of the target topic, or it can contain a phrase containing that target topic. So for instance, if you have associated this page with let's say for example WordPress, so the anchor text can be either WordPress, an exact match, it could be a synonym of WordPress, or it can be a segment of a sentence which contains this targeted topic. And the idea here is that the InLinks platform tries to vary the anchor text in order to make it appear as much as possible in the eyes of the search engine. So fourth point, InLinks does not modify content within web pages in order to place an anchor text. It only detects mentions of the target topic and places the internal link. And final point is that InLinks takes into consideration internal links that are manually placed so as to avoid duplicating the same links from the same web pages. So yeah, this is a small tutorial about on how to generate internal links on the InLinks platform. If you need any help with respect to this specific feature of the tool, you can reach out to us on the chat window, and we would be happy to assist you in whatever you need in terms of internal linking on the InLinks platform. So I'd like to thank you very much for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.